Device Station behind the booth here at the Academy 2026. Doug Hawkins, NovoSource. Welcome to the Big Easy, sir.
Thank you, Kevin. Thanks for having me.
I can't wait to talk about that. But first, let's talk about you for just a second, Doug. You didn't just show up yesterday and, hey, I've got this implant system. You've had a little bit of a journey in our space, right?
Right. I started right out of college. I started as a Wright Medical sales rep, then turned into a distributor, sold many products, Arthrex, Danik, throughout the years, ArthroCare, plenty more. Started in about 2014, I was like, well, let's do this. I wanted to start my own company.
Right.
So it wasn't easy. We have persevered to this point, proud of what we have.
I can't imagine, and that's a whole nother discussion, right? What it takes to go from an idea on a napkin to actually implants that are being opened onto the field.
We have a primary total hip, a primary total knee. The hip is a standard dual tapered wedge, Ceramtech heads, both short and standard length, DAA instruments as well, and a primary total knee that's ultra congruent or posterior stabilized. Probably over 3,000 cases over time with us, and in addition, our instruments are very concise. Probably only 2 instrument sets for our total knee, 3 for our total hip. Focus on the ASC market, and so that's kind of why we decided to transition to what is our Steriknees. Total knees have continued to migrate to ASCs. Over 50% of the market is now at ASCs, and the implants are not the problem really. The problem is sterile processing, staffing.
Just a lot of logistical things.
Yeah, all the logistical things that go around that.
Yeah.
What we have done, you can see here on the Mayo, instead of having 6 instrument trays that are blue wrapped in the back that you have to open up and pre-assemble and put together, we have a pre-assembled instrument kit that's all inclusive that's here that pretty much you can put it on the Mayo, and if you have only one tech to help you, that one tech could actually hold retractors or do something else instead of sitting there trying to figure out what instruments go together and how. So, so instead of assembling these parts together, you pull them out and you can just go from there.
So number one, y'all have come a long ways. I've been following your journey for a while, and I remember the first iterations, and this just looks amazing. I'm really liking what you put together on the patella side.
Yep.
Check that out. And then I see you're doing more size-specific pans.
Yep, we are.
On the femur and your surface trials and tibial trials.
So once the femur is sized, then you go to the size-specific tray. And we think that this is beneficial to multiple parties in total knee replacements. First, the patient, they're going to get a brand new instrument set every case. There's not any communal instruments here, so they're not going to get any hair or bone or tissue from prior patients. The surgeon is going to get a predictable workflow. It's going to be the same thing, no missing parts when they open up the tray. And then the ASC, the cost of wrapping these blue wraps, it's not free. That's a very expensive part of this. Maybe $80 to $160 or even more. And then finally, the distributor is also, imagine we're going to take 2/3 of their workload. They're not going to have to be delivering all of these instruments the day before, and then coming back to the case the next day, and then come back the following day and pick all of these instruments up. So anyway, so I'm excited about that. This launch, which is not cleared yet by the FDA, I will disclose that. We are probably less than 2 months away from clearance.
Doug, nothing but total respect. Anybody that will carry a bag, have that vision, and then go through with it, all the sacrifices that come along with that, we're in the presence of greatness here. So we've enjoyed watching your journey. For people that are watching this that would like to partner with you on this journey in a more real-time way, how do they do that?
So they can send me an email, dhawkins@novosource.com, LinkedIn as well, or you can take a look on our website, www.novosource.com, and reach out to me.
Great job, great trajectory. Love what you're doing. Wish you great success, Doug.
Well, thank you for coming by. Appreciate it.